What's happening again, guys? Out here at Shag Slough. I had to come check it out after all the rain we got, and check this out, guys. It's changed a lot since it's about 2 weeks ago. Look at this. This was just a channel right here, close by me is Shag Slough. Now look at this, there was no water out here. On that side, water for miles. And then right here, I brought my e-bike. I was gonna go across and try to go to the bridge. I'll show you guys the drone footage here in a second. But before, this little boat launch right here, hand launch only boat launch right here, I was gonna try and see if I can get across it with my e-bike. Check this out. This is crazy. There was no water right here to my right. Now this whole thing is water for miles, probably at least 4 feet deep, probably more in some spots. And right now, the tide is on, it's just past low tide right now. So as you can see, the water, it's rushing the other way towards the delta. Once it's high tide, it'll be pushing in. And so that means it's gonna get even more water than this right now. I was gonna fish it, but there's no steady water out here. It's all just flowing hecka fast, and there's like no calm spots at all. But with this flooding like this is definitely gonna push some sturgeon and striper in this area right here. This is gonna be a good area. I'm gonna bring my kayak sometime out here, but I'll show you guys there's a way to get around, not by car, but on the levee road. I'll show you guys on my drone which levee road and how to get around. It's a couple miles. I was gonna do it, but it's super windy today, and it looks like the water is just messed up right now. It's blown out. So I will I'll be back soon. I'll keep checking on this and the delta and the river for you guys. All right, so if you guys try and look at the Shag Slough at the end here where I'm at on the maps, this new development doesn't show. So I'll show you guys with the drone what it looks like now. But none of this shows. If you put your GPS on to the bridge out there, it'll say it's all good to go there, paved road or whatever when you get to Shag Slough, but it's all false. It's not true. It just hasn't been updated because this new development is probably about a year old or so. And I talked to the DWR that was out here, and he's saying you can get close to that bridge, but there's some other spots like this, I guess. And also he said they're about to take that bridge down, which kind of sucks. But yeah, that's what he said. They're gonna take that bridge down.
All right, guys, so here's the entrance of the new development at Shag Slough. And then they made a little hand launching boat launch right there. And they cut the levee off. The water can get past it, so you can't drive over there anymore. But you can, this guy told me you can take this road, see this levee road right here, get on that levee road and follow it all the way, and it'll take you to this bridge. There's a bridge right down here I'll take you guys to real quick. Man, look at all this flood. Last time I was out here about 2 weeks ago, on the right hand side of the levee, there was no water. Like none. It was all just fields. That is crazy. So it looks like they have a couple spots that cut out of the levee, not just the one. And a lot of that to the left is coming off from the Sacramento Valley, rain runoff and overflow. Wow. And we're getting a lot more rain coming in too. I'm gonna go all the way to that bridge. now I'm 290 feet in the air and going 19 miles an hour. Wow. It is just straight flooded. Man, too bad that levee wasn't still drivable. Man, they got like 4. Oh, there's cutouts all along this levee. Yep, so this bridge, I talked to DWR and they're out here and they told me that this bridge they're going to take down real soon. You can't drive across it or anything, so they're just going to remove it. Wow. This is crazy. Good spot for kayaks. Definitely. Make sure you come out here though before high tide, 2 hours before incoming high tide. That's when these fish are coming in. Oh, is that a boat? Do we got a boat out here? Looks like there's a boat right in the middle just before the bridge. Definitely looks like it's going a lot slower in the air. Pushing 19 miles an hour. Look at all these cutouts. Wow. Well, good thing I checked with the drone. Looks like you're going to have to go around. You probably can't make it all the way to the bridge. Oh, look at this boat out here. Gotcha. And you thought you were alone. Looks like a bass fisherman. It sure is. Hey, buddy. You catch anything? Wonder if he's striper fishing. There's the bridge. Wow. Looks drivable to me. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it to me. That sucks they're taking it down. And they're all over here, so you're not gonna. So I think if you go around, you're probably gonna make it to one of these last cutouts here. And that's about it.
right, so I was out here about 2 weeks ago or so, and all this wasn't flooded. And if you look behind me right here, this is the farmlands right here, and there's a little canal right here, and it is just completely going over the whole canal and flooded miles and miles as far as you could see into the farmlands. There's a lot of runoff water here from the Sacramento River, and also it's low tide right now, or it's around low tide. So once it passes that and starts getting in about an hour or two before high tide, it's gonna stop going this way and it's gonna start going this way. And that's when you wanna come and fish here, is when the fish are coming in, not right now. As you can see, it's going outward. It's not gonna be good fishing right now. You wanna have a high tide an hour or two before high tide, and that way the fish are coming in. Right now they're going out. They're going back out chasing the bait.